Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to find out how to find out if when Upstart deposits loan funds. Once you accept your Upstart loan, you'll most likely wonder when Upstart is going to deliver the funds. And here's what to expect. The first thing to expect is the standard deposit time frame. Most borrowers receive funds within 1 business day after loan approval. And if your loan is for education related expenses, funds are going to be released after a mandatory 3-day business waiting period, or rather 3 business day waiting period. Two factors that may delay funding. The first is bank processing times. So some banks take longer to process direct deposits. Another is verification issues. Now, if Upstart needs additional income verification, approval may take longer than expected. And also there's holidays and weekends. Loan disbursements are only processed on business days. So non-business days, be sure to avoid those when you want to apply for your loan, otherwise you might be delayed. There's also how to check your loan status. So all you got to do is just log into Upstart's account on Upstart's website, and once you're logged in, you can track your funds, your loan funding process. And you can always just contact Upstart's customer support if your funds haven't arrived within 3 business days after approval. Yeah, that's all the information I got for you guys on this one. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.